What's up, everybody? It rained yesterday over here. Poor little thing got cold. Look at that. But you notice here, and here, and there, and there, and there, everywhere, that rubber is super dried out. And this is what happens. I already took out most of the water too. But yeah, luckily I have the seals. Unfortunately, I didn't put them on in time. I was hoping to beat the rain, but oh well. That's what my goal is for today. Switch the front and the rear. I don't know if you can tell. Right there, it's a big old crack. You see where my finger covers that? Yeah, it's one of the main spots that water goes into. Comes from the outside, drips all the way across to here, falls on my steering wheel right there, spills everywhere. So hopefully there's a shop in San Bernardino that they've told me that can do it, because apparently these are kind of difficult to do, or at least most glass places will not deal with these because they say there's a risk of the glass cracking. Hopefully that doesn't happen, and get the new ones in nice and fresh. Thanks for Alan. Got these from Alan also. This is for the front, this is for the rear, so I'll put the link in the bottom. So we'll see you guys later. Back from the shop. Look at that, brand new seal. Thank you again, Alan. I'll put his link up. I got the rear one replaced while I was there, so I had bought both of them from Alan. So now I don't got to worry about these. Only ones that I need now are for the side. Apparently these are impossible to find brand new, so I gotta see if somewhere I can get them made. But I'm happy. Shouldn't have any more problems with water seeping into my car. At least I hope I shouldn't. Then I'll just double check everything, adjust what I need to adjust, and I'm good and happy. Next will be the door seals, because these are pretty cracked too. You can see. Ooh. But yeah, that's it for the front and the rear. So you guys have a good one.